Hello and welcome to Handsome Jack's Kitchen. My name is Chef Aiden, and today's meal we'll be making lemon pepper wings. Please do like, share, and subscribe to this video. Please hit the notification bell as well to follow me and be notified of future videos posted. Alright, let's go. I have my sea salt here. That is the first seasoning I'm adding to this dish. I'm using lemon pepper as well, folks. Just going to get the pieces covered there. We're going to season the other side as well once we mix it again. Garlic powder will be used for this dish as well. Onion powder. And cracked black pepper I like to use. If you want to use regular pepper, you can do that as well. Either or works. I just want to get that nice and covered in there. You can never really have too much black pepper. At least not for me. But to your liking, folks. Make this dish your own. Alright, that's thyme, ground thyme. Pretty powerful. You want to be easy on that. But again, this is just the first layer. We're going to mix all of this in. And that is cayenne pepper, just to kick things up a notch. Just a notch. Alright. That was oregano, folks, that I just used. And a tad bit of Sazon. All for maximum flavor, folks. This is going to taste so good. Alright, now I get in there and I get to mixing. Show your meat some love, folks. This is how we get it to come out as we'd like it to. We are cooking for either ourselves or our loved ones, so we want to do our best. Alright, I'm mixing that in there. Don't worry if you see some pieces that don't get it as covered as you'd like to see it, because we're going to add more seasoning. Again, be mindful, folks. You don't want to make this too salty. You'll be using sea salt and lemon pepper. Both are high in sodium, so my folks that need to use an alternative, feel free to do so. The flavor will be there. Trust and believe. Alright, so what you see me doing now, I'm just adding the same seasonings that I did mention. If you missed it, please look down in the description box below. Everything will be listed there that you'll need for this meal. There you see me again with my lemon pepper, because what this meal is lemon pepper wings. We're calling it lemon pepper steppers, by the way. I like that. And all of our seasonings are in, and we begin to mix and mingle our wings together. Get those seasonings covered on each and every piece. You might find a feather or a hair. Get that off of there. We don't want that. We don't need it. So we get rid of it. I add on a little bit more lemon pepper, some olive oil, so we can get our wings to be crispy in this air fryer. A lot of our meals will require us to do so. So there we go with our lemon pepper steppers. We're going to make sure we got it nice and seasoned to taste, with our olive oil to bring it to a crisp in the air fryer. And now what we do, folks, is we let our lemon pepper steppers sit and marinate for up to about an hour, maybe 2. Or if you have the time, let it sit overnight. Maximum flavor is what we are going for. I'm going to take the time and just wipe off my seasonings. We want to keep things sanitary, folks, as to prevent cross-contamination. Like to keep it clean for our loved ones. That's who we will be serving this meal to, as well as ourselves. So I want to thank my subscribers, everyone who's taking this journey with me. I want to thank you guys. Please do like, share, and keep subscribing. All right. So now I'm going to place my wings inside of the air fryer. You don't want to overpack it. Try not to stack your wings. Just enough. They can touch as such, but just don't overstack them. Air fryer will do the rest, and you repeat the process. Get your wings flipped over. See any feathers or hair, get that off of there as well. And you want to continue with the air fryer. Get them nice and crispy and a golden brown. That's what we want. These wings will come out so lovely if you do it the way I'm showing you. Put them back in there and they come out looking like this, folks. Lemon pepper steppers at their best. We're not done though. You see that butter? I'm going to add my parsley to that. A little bit of garlic powder and lemon juice, folks. You'll see me do that right now. Let me get to it. All right. Gonna take my lemon, slice that. Make sure you've washed it, of course. Slice your lemon. If you can remove the seeds before you squeeze it, do so. I usually just catch mine in my hand. But again, do it as you'd like. This is your meal, folks. Make it your own. That's parsley in there, a little bit of garlic powder. And then you'll see me grab my lemon. Oh yeah, let me not forget. Hot sauce, folks. I like Red Devil. Use whatever kind you like. Just a hint of it in there. Get it mixed in just a bit. Again, this is melted butter. I've placed in the microwave previously. Just mixing my little ingredients together. And now you'll see me add lemon juice. You see that dropping in there, folks? That's how you create lemon pepper wings. I don't know how everyone else does it, but these are lemon pepper steppers. This is different, folks. You will not make lemon pepper wings any other way once you've tried this recipe. Trust me. All right. A little bit more lemon juice won't hurt. Trust me. Lemon pepper wings on another level. That's what this is. Just add your butter and your parsley and your garlic and lemon juice mixed to your wings. You can mix them around if you should so choose to, but we're just going to let that sit. Get every bit of that goodness on there. Look at that, folks. And what am I doing? More lemon. Yes, you saw it. More lemon. Lemon pepper steppers, baby. It doesn't get any better than this. Super Bowl, bar mitzvah, baby shower. Please like, share, and subscribe to this video, channel. And as always, love yourself and others. Peace.